Introduction: the marvel of muscle movement.
Every movement your body makes, from walking to smiling, relies on a coordinated contraction of muscles. But what exactly happens inside your muscles to create movement? Let's explore how muscle contraction works, starting at the cellular level, revealing the intricate process that powers every action.
Muscle structure: the building blocks.
Skeletal muscles are made up of bundles of long fibers, each containing thousands of smaller units called myofibrils. Within these myofibrils are repeating segments known as sarcomeres. Sarcomeres are the fundamental contractile units, composed primarily of two types of protein filaments, actin and myosin.
The sliding filament theory.
Movement begins when your nervous system sends a signal to muscle fibers. This triggers a process where myosin filaments slide past actin filaments within each sarcomere. As the myosin heads latch onto actin and pull, the sarcomeres shorten, causing the entire muscle to contract and produce force.
Role of calcium in energy.
Calcium ions play a vital role in muscle contraction. When a muscle receives a signal to contract, calcium is released inside the muscle cell. This enables myosin to bind to actin. Energy from adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, powers the pulling action of myosin, ensuring repeated cycles of contraction and relaxation.
From cell to movement, the big picture.
As millions of sarcomeres contract in unison within a muscle, their combined shortening generates the force needed to move bones and joints. This is how cellular action is amplified into visible, coordinated movement in the whole body, allowing you to perform everything from a handshake to a sprint.
Conclusion: the power behind every action.
Muscle contraction is a finely tuned process involving signals, specialized proteins, and energy at a microscopic level. Understanding how it works reveals the science behind every motion, showcasing the incredible design and capability of the human body with each step, gesture, or movement.